Fuck you.
What are you doing, Callie?
Oh shit.
Are you sewing my extensions for
No.
me? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because you got all the material.
Who said I was doing this for you?
You're doing it for me.
No, I'm not.
Mhm.
I'm doing this because there's nothing else to do. I'm very mad.
How are you? How do you do that?
I don't know. A lot of practice and hard work.
You sew hair on your daily life?
Yeah. I should do this for a job.
Hmm.
What are you doing?
Why are you putting it in your mouth? Oh, the needle is still in it?
Yeah.
Is that one? We've tried this once.
Oh my god. Oh.
He said that he can go to the Tacoma Mall.
Oh, I thought you was Brian. I was like, what? Did he ever text back?
No.